Hi, I'm Tatiana. Today, I'll show you how our Serpstat API Batch Analysis integration works. Create actionable reports without any advanced API knowledge. SEO professionals love Google Sheets for its flexibility and collaborative features. That's why we built this integration. With this tool, you can instantly analyze domains, keywords, and URLs in bulk. No more manual API calls or struggling with external tools like Postman. Let me walk you through it. Getting started takes just 30 seconds. Visit Google Workspace Marketplace and search Serpstat Batch Analysis. Click Install. Authorize with your Google account. That's it. You're ready to configure. You'll need your Serpstat API token to connect. Copy your token from Serpstat account settings. In Google Sheets, go to Extensions, Spreadsheet Analysis Settings. Paste your token and save. Now your sheets are permanently connected to Serpstat's database. Here's how quickly you can create reports. Go to Extensions, Spreadsheet Analysis, Create Report. Select your search engine and region. Select an API method such as Competitor Analysis. Within seconds, your spreadsheet will transform into a comprehensive competitive landscape analysis. Identify competitors' top-performing pages. Filter by ranking positions to find specific opportunities. Analyze any URL to see exactly which keywords drive their traffic. Pull up to 1,000 results per query for analysis. Conduct bulk competitor analysis across multiple domains simultaneously. Build custom reports in Google Looker Studio. Create custom formulas that integrate Serpstat data with your business metrics. Your questions are always welcome. Reach out to your account manager or check our documentation for advanced tips. Thanks for watching.